top of this GRP warm roof and I'm stamping on the roof, walking all over it. Listen to the noises that are coming through, and you'll hear a sharp cracking noise as well as my stamping of my foot. Now I suggest you listen to that 2 or 3 times. Listen to the cracking noise. You can definitely hear me stamping, but every now and then there's a cracking noise. These next sounds are recordings from people's noisy roofs. Now you listen to these. So unfortunately, we've never got to the bottom of these problems. We still don't know exactly why this is happening. On this particular roof that we're doing here, we went around and cut a lot of expansion joints into the roof. We did them every 2 meters all the way around. And whilst doing so, we noted that the roof itself moved in certain places as we opened up the joints, and you can see here there's a 2 or 3 millimeter gap, and that happened in a few of the places. There was about 17 cuts in this roof, an awful lot of work. But what we don't really know and don't understand is exactly what's going on underneath them. This particular roof, we had pretty good success. It wasn't perfect. The client said that there is still some noise, but a lot of it went away. So the thinking behind all of this is that you've got the solar energy of the sun and the heat differences, which only make a difference to the top part of the roof. It doesn't transfer through the top section of the roof, through the insulation, to the lower section, and all the problems must be the boards on the top either not fixed down correctly or fixed down too tightly, butting up to certain areas around the roof, and therefore expansion and contraction makes them bang and all the clicking go along. And you can see on this one there's a lot of cuts, and it's worked out really well. Hopefully this helps somebody out there. If you need any more information, please get back to me.